How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In this episode I'm going to be showing you all how we like to grow our cucamelons. And we do it in a pretty unique way. We let them grow up our tomato plants or any tall plants in the garden. And they do really well from it, so let's go to the next clip and I'll show you how we do it. My girlfriend's trying to untangle these damn cucamelons. They're all growing together here. She has the skills.
Hey.
Nice. So we have some of our cucamelons here, ready to go outside, and they're going to be living amongst with our other tomato plants outside as well. So they'll kind of coexist. And these should climb all up the tomato plants. And then there should be loads of fruit, because these guys don't like it too sunny, but they like the heat from the sun. So they get the perfect amount under the tomato plant leaves.
Oh.